It's another beautiful episode, another edition of Food and the Smoke. The Food and the Smoke. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel with the Food and the Smoke. Please like that button, share and subscribe. So today we've already told you about our soup today. So we have a very simple 4 to 5 ingredients. Very simple. 5 ingredients. You could go for several vegetables, but for that case I'm using only 4 ingredients, which is a carrot, some French beans, some grandmother of all the flavors, which happen to be a garlic, some courgette, baby marrow, zucchini, you call it any name, our onions. We shall have our butter. You could use olive oil or vegetable oil of your choice. You could use aromat or salt. Have our water, have some pepper, black pepper, and a slider or bread roll. So you could use a stock of your choice, or maybe vegetable stock or anything. And then it could be clear chicken, clear beef, or anything. But today I'm using clear vegetable soup, and which is happening to be a very nice and tasty soup of the day. It's a starter and very beautiful. Check my production. So we're going in for our production, and today we are cooking something very beautiful, and happens to be our soup. And it's very simple, very simple, where we're using a very simple ingredient. Our simple ingredients, only 4 ingredients, if not 5. Just our simple courgettes, baby marrow, or zucchini, or any name you could call it. I would prefer using a cereal, but you could use a cereal or any herb of your choice if you have. And today I will have my butter first, about 20 or 10 grams of my butter. Stir a little bit, because I don't want to use a lot of butter, so that my soup has a lot of glossy and fats and things like that. Add my onions first, and maybe add the rest of the vegetables. And you could choose to boil these vegetables in water or your stock, but for this case I want to have this onions and butter and everything in my vegetable soup. So I will stir a little bit. So there are very many methods of having this soup on board. So add a little bit of pepper. You could choose to put a pepper after or before. It depends on your choice. It's very simple like that. So I will have my water or my stock. For this case, I'll pour my water to cover all my vegetables. And there are many methods of having this. There are many productional methods. So for this case, I'm just having my butter first, my onions, and my garlic in there. So I will simmer my gas, my pan very well, and my vegetables. I will simmer my vegetables very well until my vegetable gets ready. And I don't need to overcook it, because it should not be overcooked, because if it is overcooked, you're losing a lot of ingredients in it. This soup is very crucial, very important in the health of one's body, because it helps actually to do as an antidote to many illness. So if you happen to have this on a single day, on a single evening, you could have your life everlasting. So it is very important to have a soup every single minute before you go for your main course, or you go for your any fasting, if you're breaking the fast or anything. So it's very important to have this. Check the bubbling of my vegetables. I'll give it about 3 to 5 minutes until my vegetable is really cooked. But remember, I don't want to overcook it, because I don't want to lose most of the values in my soup. So I'll take a few minutes until my vegetable a little bit cooked very well, and I will take it off. So check the vegetables very nice, and a little bit mix up. So like I told you, you may boil your water and then pour every ingredient you have, every vegetable you have. Call it zucchini, cornflower, cabbages, or anything of your choice. But today I use this simple 4 ingredient, which is my courgette or baby marrow or zucchini, my French beans, carrots, and some onions. Simple like that. So for this case, I'll add a little bit of my pepper little bit of my pepper, and a seasoning, my aromat. So it's a very strong seasoning. You don't need to put a lot of aromat. That's enough. And I'll keep tasting my soup until I see my soup is very, very nicely produced. And secondly, people really prefer having any extra herb in this. You could put herbs or anything of your choice, like celery or thyme or mint or anything. But I prefer keeping it plain. That's my favorite. But you could put any of your choice. Look at this. This is very simple taste, and few minutes you have it on the table. It's very healthy and very, very beautiful, because it's something you can have at any time. It's very rich in nutrients, very rich in vitamins. It takes away, it heals some sickness. It could work as an antidote as well to cure many sickness or diseases in your body. So it's very advised to have this soup. I will reduce my little temperature a little bit, little fire, a little bit. It's a little bit gentle, and you can finish it with anything, either cilantros or celery. People prefer celery in it, but today I am using only few. Keep it plain. My pepper, my butter, and salt or aromat, and the vegetable. Simple like this. You have this on your table in 1 minute, and you are good to go. So our soup is ready, just right away. And I will have my soup cup here. Just simple like this. Where can you have this? Just subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my link, and you can make this at home. It's very, very beautiful, very beautiful, very tasty. And you can make this one in no minute. You have your soup on the table. And definitely I will go for my slider. You can do any slider of yours. Basically these ones go for with a slider or a bread roll. So I will take you through another episode how to make this bread roll. So you have to serve it, any starter you have to serve it with a bread roll. So a simple bread roll just right away. And if it is a cream of any soup, you have to serve it with a crouton. But for this case, I'm having this for my soup. So it's very simple, it's very tasty, the texture is okay, the appearance is okay, because there are many characters for this. If your soup has a nice character, the color is okay. Check out the colors. I'm talking about the characters of this soup. The color okay, the appearance is okay, the texture is okay. This is what we're talking about, and this is the food and the smoke. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is the food and the smoke. Please hit that subscription button and share, link, and comment. If you could comment, please. We really appreciate your support and your subscription. Please check out for more videos coming.